Hello and welcome to Manifest Mind USA. I'm Arvind Kumar. And today, I'm going to share something powerful. How to make people like you, yes, instantly, using simple psychological principles. Step 1. Use their name, often and naturally. A person's name is, to that person, the sweetest sound in any language. When you use someone's name, it shows you respect them and pay attention. It builds connection fast. Instead of saying, hey, say, hey, Alex, how have you been? Step 2. Give genuine compliments. People love to feel seen and appreciated. But here's the trick. Make it real. Don't fake it. Look for something small but genuine to praise. I love the way you explain that idea. You always bring such positive energy. Step 3. Mirror their body language. Did you know your brain is wired to like people who are like you? Subtly mirror the other person's posture, tone, and expressions. It builds a sense of comfort and similarity without them even knowing. But remember, keep it natural and not robotic. Step 4, listen more than you speak. People don't always want advice. They want to be heard. Ask questions, then really listen. Use active listening. Nod. Maintain eye contact. Say things like, I get it, or that makes sense. The more someone talks about themselves, the more they'll like you. Step 5, smile. It's magic. A smile is the universal sign of friendliness. A warm smile tells others, I'm safe, I'm kind, I like you. Even if you're nervous, smile. It's contagious and instantly likable. So the next time you meet someone, use their name. Give a sincere compliment. Mirror naturally. Listen deeply. And smile. You'll be amazed how quickly people open up to you. This isn't manipulation, it's connection. Because when you genuinely care, people feel it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more life-changing insights on Manifest Mind USA. I'm Arvind Kumar. Stay inspired, stay powerful.